Your story begins here. Have you built a successful business, but you're still not satisfied? Are you experiencing emotions and disappointments that you cannot explain? The time has come to separate yourself from the rest of the pack, to lead with courage, and to do what must be done to become the leader that you were born to be. New opportunities are about to present themselves. New beginnings are in sight. A new adventure awaits. What is your heart telling you to create in your life? Are you pursuing your own dreams or those of others? It's time to embrace all your strengths, awareness, and potential. You are so much stronger than you think you are. Seek the sword of truth that lies within you and unleash your authentic self. Your hero's journey begins now. You must stop existing and start living. Stop feeling unsatisfied and unfulfilled because you're not living fully as your authentic self and you lack clarity on your life's true purpose. Now is the time to begin your hero's journey. It is now time to regain your sense of self. What do you stand for? You will learn where your hidden strengths lie. You will find your purpose. You will discover the truth that has been hidden from you by society's expectations. Your truth will uncover the leader within, your true self. This journey will help you begin to respect and honor your entire self. You will become the best version of you. As your guide, I will help you discover, strengthen, and embrace the true leader that you have been afraid to unleash upon the world. As you progress through a series of trials, each more challenging than the last, you will uncover the magic within you. Face your fears and turn them into your power. Discover who your allies truly are. Defeat enemies on all levels, and gain the confidence needed to do so. At the end of the program, your life will become deeply fulfilling and exciting. You will come into your power and build your empire. You will gain loyal followers and work to make your kingdom a reality. You will expand your vision of your world. Command respect from yourself and others. Are you ready to build your kingdom and lead with authenticity and purpose? Your story begins here. It's time to create your own reality. Claim your seat at the round table.